Hey everybody, my name is Olivia DeVescovy. I'm a licensed insurance agent and I'm here to give every homeowner out there all the tips and tricks that you need. We have got lots of fun professionals that are going to give us the best tips on how to protect your home against claims this fall and winter. I've got Tom here with Mr. Handyman, who's going to tell us all the things that every homeowner should be doing to help keep your home warm and safe and claims free.
So the first thing we want to look at is the tree, which is right by the gutters of the home. One preventative thing to do is to trim the branches to prevent the scratching and falling off into the gutters, because one of the primary things to do is cleaning the gutters, because with the rain and wind, if they're clean, that will prevent the water from overflowing. So let me show you a little bit about what the water can do. One thing we really want to make sure is that the caulking around the window is all nice and taut and taken care of. As you can see, through water damage and wind and rain and just good old wear and tear, the caulk wears out. Another thing, make sure your door handle is tightly secure. Some other common things is to make sure your door is fastened correctly, as well as the threshold down here keeps the hot air in and the cold air out.
I've got Don Shaw here with Shaw Services, who's going to show us what to do with our HVAC systems to get ready for the fall and the winter.
Gas furnace, super important. You have a carbon monoxide detector in the house somewhere. We like it if you have two, one for some redundancy. They're very easy to install. They plug right into an outlet. Another thing that most homeowners need to do consistently is to clean the air filter. On this particular machine, it's located in this door. So I'm going to open the door. And then really I just pull the filter out. This one's an electronic filter. It's washable. So you're going to pull this out every 2 months, wash it thoroughly, and then reinstall it back into the sleeve. Really, as a homeowner, that's really the only thing you have to do. Some of the maintenance items would be the typical gas furnace. We're going to check the gas burners. We're going to check the airstream. Some things a professional might do. This vent pipe gets very hot in the wintertime. You're burning natural gas. The vent products from burning the natural gas go through this pipe and up through the center of the house. This pipe gets very hot. So make sure you're not putting any paper or clothing against this particular vent pipe.
David Adams here with Artisan Plumbing is going to walk us through how to winterize your house and prevent those costly water claims this winter.
We're out in the areaway, and the biggest thing on the areaway in the wintertime and fall is to make sure that the drain is not covered up by leaves and other debris, even snowfall and ice, just so that water can drain. If it stays in there, it can fill up the whole areaway drain and leak through the doors and then flood the basement. We've seen that lots of times. This is a standard hose bib. What we would do normally is take the hose off. If there's a vacuum breaker on it, there'll be like a black ring around the vacuum breaker. Just have to lift up that black ring, open up the hose bib, and then inside, take your bleeder cap off. That will allow the air to pull back to that bleeder cap and drain the pipe.
Last but not least, always have your roof inspected at least once every couple years. Right before the wintertime is a great time to do that. You want to make sure that all those nails are securely in there, that there's no caulking that's missing, so that water can't get in and make an ice dam this winter. It's not a fun claim to go through, so roofers will happily come out and do that for you for free. Please give them a call and have your roof inspected.